What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lakingadimeng if you're new. So guys, today I have a very exciting unboxing for you. I got something from Coach and of course it's a bag. So I'm unboxing one of the hottest, one of the trendiest bags of the season. But before we get into that, if you enjoy watching luxury and luxury reviews on YouTube, if you enjoy a bit of travel videos and of course fashion try on videos, please subscribe below and make sure to hit the bell to be alerted every time I post a new video. Guys, I'm actually rushing. I have to meet up with my girl Buhle, and I felt that since I got all this makeup done, I might as well just film this unboxing because it takes an effort. It takes me forever to just prepare for videos. So we're getting right into it. Like I said guys, so Coach. Guys, I was totally influenced. I've never been a fan of Coach before this bag. YouTube influenced me. I remember I watched the Hilo Lux video, one of her videos, and she was talking about this bag and I just fell in love. And also Nori, is it Nuri or Nori? She's based in the UK. She has this bag as well. And guys, like, totally influenced, I promise you. So the day that I decided that I want to buy this bag, it was after I had watched a whole lot of reviews on this bag, and I decided I'm going for it. I called Coach South Africa, the Coach store in Sandton, and unfortunately they didn't have stock, so I had to wait. And I remember I was communicating with this guy William. Oh, he's the funniest, the nicest sales guy from the Coach store in Sandton. He's so funny, and I just like his customer service. So he kept keeping me in the loop. He kept informing me because obviously I was like, okay, is it coming? Have you guys received anything? And yeah, so he was very patient with me, and eventually the one day he calls me. He's like, listen, we have your bag in the color that you want, because all along they had this bag in pink, and I was like, there's no way I'm going to go for the pink color. So okay, it's a bit tight. Okay, there. Oh my gosh. So guys, this is the Coach Tabby pillow bag. Guys, I'm in love with this bag. Obviously you can see it on my face, right? I am loving this bag. This bag is so beautiful. It's so soft, and I was very specific on this color. So this bag comes in, so far I've seen it in the military green, which is super beautiful. I've seen it in black. Of course we avoid black. No. And then I've seen it in this color. I've also seen it in pink, the bubblegum pink. And I've seen it, I believe, in white, like plain white. And what other color have I seen it in? I think it's just those colors so far. So guys, Coach Tabby pillow bag. And the reason why obviously it's called a pillow bag is because the leather is very soft. Like literally this feels like a pillow. Like it feels like that soft beautiful cushion. That's how it feels like. So this is how it looks like inside. It comes with two straps. It has the crossbody strap, and it's adjustable. Look at this, guys. Bags that come with adjustable straps are just a bonus. So it is adjustable. So you see the interior of it. Oh guys, let me just remove this. Let me remove all these. Can you guys see that? So it has that, and then it also has just the metal part. Okay, I just have I don't know what this is, just written Coach. And it has another slot here. Okay, let's do this. So it's basically one. Then it's the zipper part. You can store money or receipts or even your phone. And then there's this one. We're going to do a what fits in when I'm done showing you guys the entire bag. So this is what do you see how stretchy it is? Like you can actually accommodate a lot. Do you see? Like it expands beautifully. The leather allows you to stock up quite a bit in here. Okay, I keep removing things. Woo. and it has that leather thingy there. It's just written Coach, guys. Oh, and it has, I don't know what okay, you guys can't see this. It has like, you know, a little tag there. It's also written Coach. And oh guys, I am super obsessed. Oh, and then this little zip as well is also just written Coach. This little strap, so it comes with 2 straps, like I said, the crossbody strap, and then it has this tiny one which you can also just remove if you don't, you know, if you just wanna wear it as a clutch. You can also just wear it like this without any of the straps. Otherwise you can go with, you know, the bigger strap or the short strap. Guys, this bag is beautiful, and it has this little cushion here. It's just written Coach. And guys, I am so sorry about that. I wasn't aware that I was filming with my bedroom door wide open. Oh my gosh. I hope that wasn't distractive. So guys, it also has this little cushion here, and they gave me this, and they just engraved it, engraved my name. So TJJ is my husband's name, and a heart. So guys, like, this bag is beautiful. The color goes with everything. You can never go wrong with, you know, this neutral beige color. I'm just going to, you know, show you guys, you know, how it, like, you know, where it sits. I'm quite tall. I'm 178. I'll show you guys how it looks when I wear it crossbody, and, you know, when I just, you know, wear it with the short strap as well. So now we're going to do a what fits in, and you guys can let me know what your thoughts are about this bag. So guys, as you can see, it fits quite a lot, and the price point as well is not terrible. I mean, it's not so bad at all. I will leave the price right here. It fits quite a lot. The color goes with everything, and oh guys, like, I am obsessed. I am in love. It's quite durable. The leather is beautiful. I thought initially, like, you know, when I felt the leather, I thought it was very delicate. But I kept doing this to it, like with my nails. I kept going in with my nails just to see if, you know, it will get ruined a little bit. And every time I'll do this, I'll go in with my nails. The minute I just rub, you know, on it afterwards, the little scratch just vanishes. It literally just goes away. So this is probably my new favorite bag. Apparently, it also comes in the mini version. The mini size, I believe it's like, I think the mini probably would be the small. I haven't really seen the mini size live, but if I were to get the military green, I would definitely get it in the mini, because so far I'm just obsessed with this bag. I'm actually just going to wear it today, like right now when I leave the house, when I go out. I think this is gonna, you know, it'll go very well with my outfit. Well, I'm not wearing this, but the outfit that I'm going to be wearing today, it'll go well with it. So guys, tell me what your thoughts are about this bag. Do you think Coach has, you know, definitely made a comeback with the entire Tabby line, the entire Tabby collection? Would you buy this bag? Like, what are your thoughts? What do you think of the color? Is it something that you would go for? What do you think of the price point as well? One thing I have to say though, the leather or the quality of this bag is just similar to my more expensive designer bags. That's how well made this bag is. So do comment below, let me know what your thoughts are, and let me know if, you know, if you would buy something like this. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, get your family and friends to subscribe as well. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.